Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we have taken a little tour outside of Florence with Lorella, and she's showing us Pelago, which is a really cute borgo. It looks to be, I'm not sure how old it is, and there's all kinds of little houses and apartments here that are just so beautiful. Gosh, the ride in was gorgeous with all of the beautiful views and the hills and everything else. I'm going to show you a little bit of this really cute town. Okay, this is the main piazza of Pelago here, and Pelago's quite big and has winding little streets that wind all around and go everywhere. Now we have quite a few places available here which we can find for you, including this one that's right in front of you here. This one is a massive building, as you can see, and you can get it and live in it as a palazzo, or you can get it and split it up into apartments and things like that. This palazzo here has already been split up into apartments, and it's very nice. This is a really cute borgo, guys, and I'll tell you, the ride up here was just stunning. From all kinds of points in this town, you have the most spectacular views of the vineyards surrounding. This area is very famous for wine, so if you want the gorgeous Tuscan countryside and the cute borgo in Tuscany, but you don't want to pay huge amounts of money, we have some ideas here that you might find very interesting. It's gorgeous, you guys. You know what would be ideal? Would be one of these houses sort of right on the edge of the village, way up high, that overlooks this beautiful scenery here. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is such a pretty town. Where you see windows that are closed and have been closed, you know those might be for sale. So a lot of these are for sale by owner. In this really cute borgo, there's all the services, all the restaurants, all the shops and everything that you need here. It's kind of a biggish borgo, but it's a really cute, charming borgo. Look at the views from up here. They are just stunning. This is what you come to Tuscany to look for. And on the other side of the church, you come out to this little cute courtyard. Really cute. I'm just in love with this borgo. House. Now, as I was saying, the houses here are not super expensive. So if you wanted a house and you wanted to create a beautiful garden like this one, you could actually do that here. We're going to talk about that some more in some upcoming videos. What a beautiful place. And again, there's that one place that's for sale. The whole thing, guys. We're going to go see another amazing panorama. I love this place because you go around a new corner and there's something else beautiful there. And it's just like exciting because you're like, what's around the next corner? Okay, yeah, this is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. The sun is starting to go down. It's just so beautiful here. Amazing. And the town and the church are just up there. So there you go, guys. This beautiful town of Pelago is located just outside of Florence, and because it's not right in the city of Florence, your property dollar goes so much farther. There's a ton of properties here. They need a little bit of love, and we have a fabulous team that can put them just the way you want them right here in the hillsides of Tuscany.